You could sleep soundly at night while the members of the AFP burn the midnight candle going over our contingency plans.
We are ready to prepare our assets in case we need to repatriate our Filipino nationals. This will be done in coordination actually with DFA, with the DMW and the DND. For our air assets, most probably ito yung mobility natin, no? Yun po sa Air Mobility Command. Kung ano man po yung ma-identify, most probably po it would be C-130s.
Without going into details, all ships could be a sea lift vessel. Case in point is during the 2020 repatriation, we sent our LD as well as the Del Pilar class vessel. So we have several sea lift vessels in our Navy, and we would just like to assure everyone that your Navy is prepared and is ready to support such operations once directed to do so.